sa mga kapuso couples na ito and focus on #relationship-goals. Mula sa kanilang mala fairy tale wedding na inaasam ng lahat hanggang sa pagiging parents to their beautiful baby girl na si Zia, ang kapuso primetime king at queen na sina Ding Dong Dantes at Marian Rivera still makes sure to spend quality time together kahit pa sa simple at quick romantic dinner date lang.
Nag-date kami once. Na-post ko yan. Kasi nakakatawa yung asawa ko, sabi niya, nagpadala siya ng flowers, tapos may letter. Walang pangalan kung kanino galing. Parang sabi niya, pwede ba kitang i-take? Parang ilabas kasi I admire, parang ganyan-ganyan, pagiging isang ina mo. You're so dedicated and lovable mom, ganyan-ganyan.
Bukod dyan, importante din ayon kay Dong ang pagiging supportive nila sa isa't isa, lalo na sa pagiging first-time parents nila niyan.
By being there beside her 100% kung maaari. So I know it's not an easy task, but syempre if you know that someone's there to help you and to support you, to guide you, mas madali.
Nagsilbing inspirasyon nila ang isa't isa to make themselves better, hindi lang sa kani-kanilang mga career, kundi pati na rin sa puso ng isa't isa. Ngayon, happily married na sina Ryan at Julian Santos and blessed with 3 kids na sina Johan, Lucio at baby Luna. Aside from sharing the same interest in music and singing, no sad moment naman sa dalawang ito dahil sa pagiging natural na komedyante ni Ogie Alcacid at kalug naman ni Regine Velasquez. At isa pa sa nagustuhan ni Asia Songbird sa kanila ni Ogie,
what I like about him is that he would always ask for my opinion, but he will not naman base his decision on my opinion, and vice versa.
Kung adventure at fitness ang pag-uusapan, game na game lagi dyan ang sweet and goofy celebrity couple na sina Drew at Iya Villania Arellano. For 10 years as boyfriend-girlfriend and keeping their love pure until marriage. Now, who says Iya and Drew are not everyone's ideal couple? Alam mo, darating din siya, kaya huwag kang mainggit. Sa ngayon, enjoy life and focus on being the best version of yourself.